Hello, my name is Liesel. Today I'm going to show you how to use Canva's Magic Grab tool as well as a little lesson on timing and how to use these two features to create a fun animation to make your product images come alive. So if this sounds interesting to you, come with me. Let's use this fun image from the tiny dollhouse in South Africa today to illustrate the new Magic Grab tool. It is a Canva Pro feature, so if you don't have Canva Pro, this might just entice you to spoil yourself with some extra features. So I will click on the image, I will go to Edit Image, I will click on the Magic Grab, then I will go to Brush, and I will put my brush over this little toilet roll, and this is what I want to pick up. Let's just make it a little bit smaller. Okay, click on it and click on Grab. I will let this run at normal time so that you can see how long it actually takes. There we go. So in a few seconds, Canva has actually separated this little toilet roll from the image. Okay. Now I want to duplicate this toilet roll, so I've clicked onto it. Let's click duplicate. I'm going to grab it and put it on top of the other one, and I'm going to duplicate it again and again. So now if we click out of it, suddenly we've got a whole new picture with 4 little toilet rolls stacked onto each other. How cool is that? Okay, so for the second example, my idea is to use this image from the tiny dollhouse, and I want to first empty the shelf, and then I want to put these items one for one back in a little animation so that we can bring a little bit of life to this image. Okay, so the first thing that I've done is I've created an Instagram post, I've pulled in my image, I've uploaded it, clicking on the image. Then I will go to Edit Image, and I will go again to Magic Grab. I'm just going to press Ctrl V to make it a little bit bigger so that I can see what I'm doing. And now I want to show you this click feature. So if I hover over the item that I want to grab, in this case it is picking up the vase but not the flowers, and I need both. Okay, so first it's picking up the vase quite nicely, so first click on to that, then click onto brush. I will have to make the brush a little bit smaller, and then just go over the part that you want to pick up. Okay, so now both the flowers and the vase has been picked up. Let's see what it does. Press grab. Again, I'm not speeding up the video so that you can see in real time what's happening. Okay, let's zoom in again and see if we can... Yes, okay, so if I move the vase, that looks okay, but we do have a little bit of a dark mess in the back, but that's no problem. Okay, so let's go and do the next thing. We will go to Magic Grab again. I will zoom in. Okay, I will use this click feature to pick up the little rabbit and grab. Okay, let's see, let's move the rabbit. Okay, let's click on the image again, go to Magic Grab. I will zoom in. Now I want to pick up this little Scrabble block. If I hover over it, it doesn't pick it up, so let's go to brush. I need to make my brush a little bit smaller. Click onto there and grab. Let's see. Let's move it. Yes, it's picked it picked it up quite nicely. Okay, so we will click on the image again. We will click on Magic Grab. I will zoom in. I will use the click feature to see if it will pick up this little dry petal and the glass vase, but it is not, so I will go to brush. I will make my brush smaller again and brush over the whole item. Let's see how that works. Now you will have to check with each photo how it works. Sometimes it does a really good job and sometimes not such a good job, so you will just have to play around. And yes, I can move. This one looks quite nice. To clean up, we will click onto the photo again. We will go to Edit Image. And we will use Magic Eraser. This Magic Eraser is also a Pro tool. Okay, so we will click on there. Just want to zoom into my picture. You will choose your brush size depending on the amount of the mess that you need to clean up here. So let's start here in the back. So I will just click on those little spots and erase. Let's see what happens. Okay, that looks great. Okay, let's do the next bit. Let's clean this part. Erase. Okay, we still have a little bit of shadow going on here in the bottom, so let's make the brush smaller. Go over there, erase. Okay, let's move down. We've got all of this grey going on here, so let's make the brush a little bit bigger again. And erase. Okay, see there's still one little mark. Let's get rid of that. Okay, and I think Canva's done quite a good job of cleaning up this shelf for us. Okay, so now when I look at my image, I can see my shelf has been cleaned up. I've got all my various decor pieces here on the side. So let's right click, go to Layer, Show Layers. Okay, so now you can see that all of these items have been separated from the photograph. Okay, so now I want to create the animation. So to do that, I first want to put my little pieces back to where they belong. So this vase will be here, this little block there, this one here, and the bunny, I'm going to do something different with the bunny. So I'm going to put the bunny down on the carpet for now. Let's just zoom in and make sure that I've got everything at the right place. This must come down a little bit. There we go. Let's create the animation by using the timing tool. So click onto your image, right click, click onto this show timing. Okay, when you do that, the first thing that you will see here is duration, and here at the top 5 seconds. This is how long the clip is at the moment. I want this clip to be 10 seconds long, so we will click onto there first and then drag the slider over until we have 10 seconds. Here you can see all your layers. I see that one of our layers are missing, the one vase with the little yellow flowers, but we will go and get that shortly. But this is where you can manipulate the time and where it will show up. So if 1 second is here and 10 seconds is here on this side, we will drag these layers so that it will show up at the right time. So I firstly want the vase with the little yellow flowers to show up, but it's not here at the moment, so we will do that next. So let's do the Scrabble as the second one. So if the first one starts at, say, 9 seconds, then let's do this one at 8 seconds. Then we do this one at 7 seconds, so there will be a second in between. And then this little rabbit, we'll start that at 6 seconds. And I will also still create a little animation for that. So let's go and find our vase. So we'll click onto the vase, go to the timing again, show timing. Okay, there's our little vase. So let's pull it into 9 seconds. Okay. Let's see what this looks like. So we will go to present full screen. Fabulous. Okay, I like that. Let's get out of here. Okay, so let's go to hide pages. I want to click onto this little rabbit. I want to go to animate. And I want to click on to create animation. Let's just make this a little bit bigger so that I can see what I'm doing. Now, just as what Canva is doing with the little bee here, you will drag your item into the direction that you want to create the animation, okay? So I want this little rabbit to jump into this cove here and then to its final sitting space on the shelf here at the top. So let's do that. And jump and jump. Let's see. Okay. Here you can change the speed of the animation, so make it really slow. Okay, that's way too slow. Let's make it faster. That's quite fun. And then here you can also choose the movement styles from original to smooth. Let's have a look. No, I don't like that. Or steady. Let's go back to original. Okay, that's fine. If you don't like it, you can just simply go to delete path and then you can redo it. Okay, so let's go to done. And now our animation is done. So now you can just go here to the top to share, download, and you can download it as an MP4. You can also download it as a GIF if you like. And now it's ready to use. I hope you are inspired to make more of your product images. I hope you learned something new today, and if you did, please consider to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and if you have any other questions, leave me a comment below. Thank you, and until next time, bye bye.